Underneath the surface, there's been a lot of signs that things are certainly changing, but slowly changing. One of the things has been the big rally in gold in the face of higher interest rates or higher real interest rates, which is not a very frequent occurrence. Another thing is the following chart. I think most people that look at this chart see a bearish trend. I would agree. And what this is essentially the underperformance of consumer staple stocks. Some of you might already be yawning by my pure mentioning of consumer staples. The underperformance of staples versus consumer discretionary stocks. More exciting stuff, right? Some tick names, some just names that we can associate with through daily lives. However, what's lesser known here is what's been taking place as of late, and I think the fact that it's taking place within the context of the rally in gold and the re-emergence of inflation, I think is quite troubling, or telling at least. Let's have a look at it. And what if I were to tell you that consumer staple stocks, so we're talking about stocks that are in this category are like Procter and Gamble, right? Stuff that we clean our bathrooms with or clean ourselves with or stuff like that, right? Among other things, of course. What if I were to tell you that consumer staple stocks are outperforming the exciting consumer discretionary stocks since December of last year, December 2023, by about 10-11% at this very moment? It was a bit more. That does not seem like a normal thing to happen when you have such a risk-on rally. Underneath the surface, lots of things are changing. I am extremely concerned for the average investor out there that is just chart chasing. I keep mentioning this everywhere I can because I think I don't want people to repeat some of the issues that occurred in their portfolios during the great financial crisis or during the internet bubble or the previous, before then, 5 or 6 stock market sort of crashes. Let's be aware of what's taking place here. And one way we can navigate these markets with these kind of things taking place underneath is through something called a poor man's covered call. We're going to do a strategy session this week, and everyone's invited, where my colleague Brian and I will show you how that type of strategy is designed to give us more buffer with an income focus as well. It's like a covered call, but cheaper, in fact, a lot cheaper. And I think in this environment here particularly, where a lot of things are changing underneath the surface and people are kind of whistling past the graveyard, this, I think, is an important strategy to be aware of. Make sure you join us in our strategy session this week, and I look forward to seeing you there.